Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at MicroStrategy stock. Now today this one is up by 2.3%. Let's have a speak about this, as we have seen the stock of course come green yet again today. Over the course of tonight's short video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and my opinions. If it does sound good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, as always, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now jumping straight into this one today. Of course we are green, but you look at the trend throughout the day. Of course we had this major push up in the morning, and then you can see we actually flattened out and began to move back down. Now the good news is we appear to be holding supports right around this range here, around 295, 296 maybe to the upside. This is of course a good thing, and you really want to see these hold. Now we do have a little bit of history at this level again, going back here to the 15th, maybe the 16th, to a degree going back here between the 25th and 26th of September. You could be seeing these hold again, but if you don't, I do become concerned. Now I'm of course hoping this one does. I'm hoping that we can break out from here, but we'll speak about that in a second. If we do not hold this, I think you've got potentials of dipping to 292. I think you've got potentials of dipping to 289, and I think below that 285, below that 280, and possibly into the 270s again, where things become extremely concerning. Now, really this is a flaw that I want to see, given the ultimate downtrend that we're seeing over the last few weeks with the stock. As I say, the 295 range roughly is where I want to see this one hold. I want to see this support hold up. If you do see that, we could go up and retest higher levels. Now we tried to do this today, but just really struggled to get above. Couldn't really break 305. We've seen resistance at this point roughly around here on the 26th as well, so it's not exactly a new level. If you can break above this, you're looking at stronger levels of resistance, such as 312, 312.50. You're looking at 314, 315 as well, could be a big one to break above, as could 316. If you break that, numbers stand out such as 322, 323, all the way up to 325, higher up at 330 could be the next one. Now really guys, I'm still cautious here. As the RSI does climb, we're not in the overbought range at all, we're nowhere near close, but we are climbing above the neutral line, right? So the small move has shaken the indicator quite a bit. We need to see some stability coming into this one, guys. We need to begin to push up slowly. We need to build a solid support around this level. Again, I am still a little bit cautious. I would be on the cautious side with this stock, but that is just my personal thoughts and opinions. Again, if we see this hold up over 2 or 3 more days, I do become a bit more confident, but right now, it's just not really inspired me that much to necessarily assume that this one is going to go up. Of course, I may be wrong. I hope I am. I hope it does go up, but that is just my personal thoughts on it. Thank you for your time, guys. Leave me a comment down below. Goodbye for now.